M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So we haven't got the 52, but we're still making videos anyway. So this one is about the front panel description. So let's go through it. We've got the color thing here. So the radio is taller than the Icom 51. And let's have a look at what these numbers mean. So we'll do the obvious first. So number 1, PTT, which is here. 2, we've got the squelch here. On off on number 3, micro SD card number 4, 5 I'm guessing is antenna, 6 is the little LED light we've got here, 19, so the top knob I would guess is the channel change, and the wider knob is going to be the volume. So, and then on the other side here we got the mic and speaker, so that'll be where you plug in external audio devices. You've got your USB you here on 21 here, and then your DC in. Obviously you can get a drop-in charger, and this will take the normal battery that you use in your 51 and even in your 705. Speaker here. So number 8 here is your menu and lock button. You've got mode and scan, so I think pretty sure you hold it down for scan. I'll do a video on that. So VFO and clear here. Memory. So if you want to toggle between memory and VFO, you'd use these two. And if you want to if you're in VFO and you've put some frequencies in that you want to save into the memory, hold down the MW button, and it also gives you the option to put it into a group first. Quick speech, that's a quick menu. I know that one of these buttons will, make the radio sort of talk to you. I can't remember which one. It could be this one. You press it and it reads out the frequency. Now, in the sort of D-pad here, we'll call it the D-pad in the middle here, with the blue button in the middle. I know that you can change the power by holding down the low. It says LO here. Or you can hold it down and turn the 19 knob here at the top to change the power. Now pushing upwards on the RxCS is going to be the 2 section of your DR mode. So normally you'd select like use reflector or link to reflector and even echo test. There it does more, but that's the basics. And if you push it downwards, so you've got DR mode here, push it down gets you into DR mode, push it down again gets you out of DR mode. If you're out of DR mode, then you've got your usual VFO, UHF, VHF, and the other functions like broadcast and air frequencies, etc. You can operate the radio in DV mode when you're in normal VFO mode, but it just doesn't use the DR system, so you're having to program everything in manually, like repeater 1 and repeater 2, and you'd have to get your call sign into this radio, whatever, to use it on D-Star. So hold down, you've got your DR mode, and then you can set the from section. Now if you downloaded a CSV file, and there'll probably be a CSV file already in the radio, then you're going to populate this from section with hundreds, maybe thousands of repeaters around the world. And if you're near those repeaters and you transmit, it's going to link you into the D-Star system, and then get onto the reflectors and XLX and all that kind of stuff. Or what you can do is you can edit or add one of these from section repeaters, and effectively you add the frequency of your hotspot at home, simplex, put in your repeater 1 and repeater 2 settings. So basically your call sign --B, and then repeater 2, your call sign --G, and that's the sort of CS settings. So that's pretty much what I know. Let's just scroll down. We've got the squelch. Squelch is number 12. So let's have a look how you do this. Number 2, squelch. While holding down, rotate the dial. Yeah, so basically you hold down this number 2 button here, which is up here somewhere, and then rotate the knob, and then it becomes the squelch. Power key we know, SD card we know, antenna connectors, TX, RX call sign display. Right, so okay, so when you hold the C D, is it? Yeah, CD here, this section here, CD. Hold that down left. In the DV mode, hold down for 1 second to open the received call history. In the menu screen, push to select the upper tier menu. So there you go. So I'm thinking that was going to show you, like if you've had a D-Star station come through, you're going to get their details. So it'll probably be their location, their call sign, possibly even. Trying to think what D-Star sends you. Just the usual, really. Okay, menu. Yeah, we know what that is, and you can lock it. Mode scan. We've done that. Dual key, push A or B band, so number 10, let's go to number 10. So, oh, I get it, yeah, so this one here, main dual, if you hold that down, it'll go to simplex, or if you hold it again, it'll go to duplex, then you can toggle just tapping it momentarily, and it'll go from A to B, so yeah, that's cool. Mode, this one here, FM, DV, that's your mode key. Let's have a look now. Main dual, enter key. So 11. Let's find which one's 11. 11. Yeah. So the blue button is like your enter. That's 11. 12 is your D-pad. We've done that, haven't we? Hold it down. Gets you into DR mode. Here it is. Quick menu, which is here. Push to open the quick menu once, or hold down for 1 second to audibly announce the displayed frequency. That's here. Memory, yeah, we've done that. So memory and VFO and holding it down. There you go. The power RX call sign capture, which is quite clever. So you hold the D-pad key up and hold down for 1 second and it captures the call-in station. It probably puts it into the memory, I'm guessing, and then you can actually use that call sign to contact them direct. 18 is the volume control, so let's just check that is the outer one. Yeah, it's the outer one. 19 control dial. Yeah, the little knob is the changes channels, and you can use it to change characters when you're inputting things like your call sign and messages. External microphone, we know about that. USB port, external jack for the DC, and then here's a color picture. You can see all the little logos that you get. Battery, USB, Vox, Bluetooth, broadcast radio, picture send, GPS. This is a GPS message. It's not Wi-Fi, which is such a shame. SD card, clock. A few more things along here. What's squelch, attenuator. EMR, not sure what EMR is. Number 13, let's have a look what EMR is. EMR bracket, loss, auto replay icons. EMR displayed when the enhanced monitor request EMR function is on. Don't even know what that is. Displayed when the BK is on, L when a packet is lost, and this A with a lightning strike displayed when the auto reply function is on. Yeah, so I get what that is. So I'd like to know what the EMR is. And you've got weather icons, frequency, yeah, weather, call, okay, SRF, meter, the meter, memory, main band icon. So there you go. I think that's enough for this video. So thanks for watching. If you find it interesting and useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, very excited to get eventually in the UK, get the Icom ID-52. 7.3, all the best.